let's take a look at the Distance Matrix API. This is something I was really impressed by when I learned about it. It's great if you have more complex use cases than a single origin to a single destination. Remember how I said the Directions API takes just one origin and one destination? Imagine you've got a bunch of people in various locations, and you need to figure out the optimal combination to match each of those people with an assignment in another location. Normally, it would be pretty complicated to calculate the distance between each person and their possible assignments, and then compare all of those assignments and figure out which is the most efficient permutation overall. Thankfully, the Distance Matrix API takes multiple origins and multiple destinations and gives you the travel times and distances for all combinations. With a single API call, you can get all the data you need to make your assignment decisions to optimize for distance or travel time. Thanks for watching and happy mapping!